In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on your Ford Taurus. They're located on your windshield. Okay, so you are going to make sure your wiper blade matches up, same length. We're good. Pick up your wiper blade, pinch and pull, push. And then to install, you're going to push it on and put it down. For this side, you're going to do the same. You're going to pinch, pick it up, push, take it off, and feed this through. Make sure it's locked, place it down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.